working as an associate professor in Department of Chemistry, Amethi School of Applied Sciences, Amethi University, Haryana. Prior to joining this organization, I have worked with uh, North Cap University, Gurugram, and HMR Institute of Technology and Management. I have had my PhD in field of photocatalysis in year 2008 by Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. I have published numerous research papers in national and international journal of repute, and I selected for one DRDO project that is based on the polyurethane coating for blast mitigation. And that project is definitely a challenging for me because it's something out of field, and it's basically based on the polyurethane formulation. I can overcome the challenges of this project with the help of my mentor, Professor I.K. Verma, and definitely through which I can successfully completed this project. As I is born and brought up in Udaipur, and my I have three sisters and I'm eldest of one. My father actually, as most of the girls in the India, my earlier influencers are my parents only, specifically my father. And my dream, even today, is to fulfill his wish and make him proud. And he envisaged to me become a doctor, but fate had other plans. I am content to my current role and get a doctorate degree in chemistry in 2008. As my journey continue, why not other subject? Yeah, it's a very simple. It's a start in 11th standard when I just come across the first come in the field of the chemistry. My chemistry faculty inspiration play a vital role to take my decision to come in this particular field. And as a influencer, I am fortunate to get mentorship and guidance by various individuals, my supervisors, Professor S.C. Amecha, and my guide, Dr. V.K. Sharma, my uncles, Dr. Jitendra and Dr. Mukesh Mehta. And I just share one small story in which actually I want to join mathematical group in 11th standard and even took a admission in the 11th standard in maths group. But my father has a different aspiration from me, and he forced to me to join the biological group. On to define his wishes, I joined the biological group, but definitely this will be a stepping stone in my journey because by taking a biology, I just correlate or connect the biology with the chemistry and develop a correlation between the society and environment, and it's become a good for my research work for my future endeavors. So, as my father is a teacher only, government teacher, and societies are not good for there are three girls. We need a boy in a definitely at a home. So usually my father grow me as a son, not as a daughter. So basically, I from a initial stage, I just take the responsibilities. Even I यूज मैंने अपनी सिस्टर्स को पढ़ाया है इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन्स भी कराया है एंड यस आई एम डूइंग द BSc and MSc in chemistry एंड कुछ सर्कमस्टेंसेस थे कि आई कैन नॉट मूव फ्रॉम माई होम टाउन आफ्टर दैट आई जस्ट my wish is to become engineer definitely, but now I have become a scientist. So basically I want my wishes to grow in my sisters, and both are the engineers. One is the computer science, both are the computer science engineers basically, and one is working in the coding and another one is programming. Basically my mother is a housewife. Childhood is very good, I can say. Yes, small challenges are always there, but I am happy with all the challenges. because I feel I'm fortunate to have such type of parents and my sisters. They just treat me like a not elder sister, just like a mama. So I feel fortunate to have her in my life. Challenges I feel after coming to the Delhi. When I relocated Delhi after marriage, then definitely after marriage there are a number of things are changing, and from despite of being a smaller city, I feel that it's very difficult to start the journey from Delhi, because in Delhi NCR it's you have to at least one education from Delhi NCR, but I have a complete education from Rajasthan and in Udaipur. That's why in an initial 2 to 4 month, I feel a hurdle. I just go to a number of interviews, just face the challenges, and finally, I got a good position in HMR Institute of Technology in 2009 August. I just came Delhi at the Feb 2008. So it's around 6 to 7 months. And before I start the HMR Institute of Technology, I joined the coaching institute because in childhood I have already done the coaching classes at home for MSc and net exams. And during this time period, I just confident that I am a good teacher. I can teach very well. And this confidence boost me when I come to Delhi and just join the first organization. And within 2 or 3 months, I just shift from that organization to the higher organization and with the good position again. And after that journey is continue till today. I'm working in the Amity University, Gurugram. Yeah, actually, I'm also work with the social entrepreneurships with the Enactors International Society, and in this particular stream, we have involved one project that is Inayat, that is used paper pencil project, that is appreciated by the Enactors Society also, and we got a one award in that particular project also. And for this project, we have to first understand the situation, okay, how we can arrange the raw material, and how we collaborate with the NGO. And we collaborate with the NGO that is the Family of Disabled FOD in New Delhi. And we want to employ the handicapped persons. To first we have to train them how they handle the machine, and that is machine is not available in Delhi NCR. That's why we have to search first machine, amount, and collaboration. So we are going towards the step by step with the, I have around 20 students in my team, that all are the BTech students that are doing the engineering. And we collected the money around 6 point lakh from crowdfunding, and then set up the machine in the, and where the, and when this is project is completed, definitely it's not completed till now, but it's definitely sustained now, because we have employed the persons that are disabled. And newspapers, we are collecting the NGO persons are collecting the newspapers from each month and use them for the paper pencil project also. So this gave me a definitely great motivation, and through which I can understand the ground reality of waste management and water system also. And later, and even I start my PhD from the photocatalysis. And photocatalysis is basically a water treat one technique for the water treatment. So I start the journey with the water treatment and continue my journey with the water treatment. Along with this social project, I connect with the waste management workers, how they are collecting the waste, what are the ground realities they are actually facing. Because when we are going towards the ground, they are just we are saying ki just give just make a compost pit or just make a something for us, so they are not ready for that. Basically they are resist for change. There we are providing the gloves, and we are providing the very good thing, handy things, so that they can easily collect the waste. But even they are resist to change, and definitely it's a challenging. We even rented a illegal land and making a compost pit. So that time period, it's around 16 to 2016 to 18. It's a 2.5 year. and I enjoy very much in to work with the students and in social entrepreneurship in Anactus International Society. And my current research area is basically water treatment as well as the waste management. When I shifted in that organization, Amity University, then I continue my passion, which is definitely related to the waste removal techniques. So we are just holding the two workshop for 7 days for awareness week. We are just celebrating awareness week in each 6 month for waste management, as well as one more add-on, that is a food adulteration. So we are just shuffling these two, waste management and food adulteration, in 1 week. We are awareing the students about the waste as well as the food adulteration. So we are hosting the it's a skit, drama, debate, and demonstration for the food adulteration. So we are doing small steps so that students can connect with the society for the water waste management as well as the food adulteration. So these are the things that is the not actual my research work, but yeah, definitely I will do because we want to change the society. I just from childhood, I think I am very honest, and honesty, hardworking, and determination. These are the three qualities I can say that is my childhood characteristics that is going upward. If even I want, I cannot become a dishonest. So that is the carry on property. That is the blood, you can say. They are inserting in my blood, and that is going on. My mother and father is very simple. That's why they have to see some decision that might be they are not happy till today. नहीं ऐसा इंसिडेंट तो मुझे याद नहीं, बट हाँ, वन इंसिडेंट आई रिमेंबर दैट एक्चुअली इन आर families, usually boys come at home and select the girl. This is the normal tradition. तो नॉर्मली बॉयज आर कमिंग यूजुअली मैं एक्चुअली जब कोई बॉय आता था तो मैं फादर की पोजीशन से ही वो कैंसिल हो जाता था, क्योंकि मेरे फादर कहते थे नहीं, इट्स not too educated, no, it does not having a government job, and there are number of things are there. So 70% time he denied the person. And when I just grew up, because my marriage is comparatively late, as city, as compared to city of Udaipur, I'm married in 28. So definitely in this case, definitely they feel कि it's become too late. And at the end, I think there are two last choices are there. One boy is situated in Udaipur, and another one which having my husband that's hometown in Udaipur, but job in Delhi. So I have to choose out of these two. Okay, so definitely my preference is that ki I want to live in Udaipur only to support my father. So I just want ki yeah, I want to marry off that person that live in a Udaipur, and he is a CA, chartered accountant. So it's a good position and good job. Uh, but incidence is that ki when the person is coming to meet me, he say, yeah, my only one condition in case of my father is that we are not giving anything during the marriage. This is one condition. And second thing, my daughter, if want, she will join any job. So he denied at that moment. No, I don't want ki my wife would go to outside and do earn the money. And at that time, suddenly I just shifted with the my choices, and I just picked my husband that is live in Delhi for a event management job. So that time my father resist kiya, no, we will not marry until he is ready to if she want, then she will do job. If she don't want, then she will not do job. It's her priority, either she want to do job or not. So definitely he resist every time, even in my younger sisters also, in case also, he want to become independent to each child. Actually, if I think about the chemistry, so I think if from early morning to evening, when we are awake and when we go to the bed, then always we are come across the number of products, and all products are directly indirectly connect with the chemistry, and these products are manufactured by definitely the scientist that is working in the field of chemistry. Actually, this is a wide broader range of chemistry. Chemistry can connect the food, chemistry can connect the physics, chemistry can connect the biology. Labs of the chemistry are very attractive. We can do whatever we want. We can make a different colors, we can even blast sometimes, we can use the sodium. It's a and you can say it's adventurous in the lab. So definitely when I'm doing the graduation as well as the in 11th 12th, my favorite subject is the chemistry. I love the chemistry. Yeah, actually, in during my PhD, when I'm working with some material, that is there is a problem with the raw material only. We can judge after 1 year if there is a problem in the raw material, and I have worked 1 year, then definitely it's a shocking कि you are using the raw material that is either expired. Usually chemicals are not expired, but might be it is expired or something, and it is just after the 1 year. So that's why my PhD duration for in terms of research is not too good. I can say it has been completed in 4 years, but it's not too good. Okay, I have not published too much research article during that period, and in particular organization we have not much facilities are there. That's why my research is comparatively, you can it's a lower border. But I just qualified the national level examination that is based on your definitely academia. So that's why I just selected in the tally. Otherwise, it's very difficult to select in the tally if I'm not qualified that net exam and JRF and get like exams, then it's difficult to select in tally. But after coming to the Gurgaon, again the I joined the private organizations. So basically, private university does not having a too much research facilities, and definitely after marriage, few more responsibilities are you have. The research pace is again slower until I just come across my mentor, Professor I.K. Verma. She is a former IIT professor and headed the polymer science department. So definitely, I inspire from him a lot, and she is my role model. With the help of her, we wrote one project in Defense Research Development Organization, that is DRDO. That project is sanction of around 10 lakh. It's sanctioned by the CFIS lab New Delhi. And after this project, I understand the number of things which might be I not properly understood during my PhD. And then my research career in terms of research is going. Otherwise, academia, there is no issue from the initial day. uh, I feel very happy, and I know that's why I'm very confident to teach with the students. I feel fearless. Not a specific one. That is a one is the DRDO project. I say it's a formulation is tedious, and we have to complete the formulation within a time frame, because DRDO is very strict upon that. And at that moment, I we one project assistant is there. She has a medical conditions and she has to left the job. Then everything is come on my shoulder, and even I'm not doing formulation earlier. That is polyurethane formulation. The way I'm not doing this earlier, that's why I have to learn from scratch how to start the polymer synthesis and how to make a formulations. And definitely, even with the Professor IK Mama ma'am, we are going to the DRDO labs and taking a few different raw materials. There is a specific raw material we needed is isocyanate, and isocyanate is not easily available commercially. But after this project, I am confident that even I selected for any project that is slightly out of my syllabus, then I can complete it. I think I have to share the current thing also, in and that does give me immense pleasure and motivation, because I feel that I am out of the race and I just come the race and win the prize. It's just like that. The 2% scientists in the world, definitely I feel very proud to you. Share this news. And in October list only. Uh, Actually, this is based on the citations. Ki how the published papers are, how many persons are cited your paper. And when I'm going towards my pace, then 2019 I just published one paper. 20 I just published 8 to 9 papers. So it's a exponential race. And 21 again 7 to 8 papers. So this is a continuous raising of my research articles, and along with the articles there are 2 or 3 articles are very good citation, that is read by a number of persons and cited in their research article, and that's why I selected for that project only. I think young generations, for the students and young generation, they have to passionate about their work and continue your work until you get your their goal. You have to hard work, but definitely hard work in the right direction, because you know ki where you want to go. Otherwise it's very difficult. I'm role model of my daughter also. I have one daughter. Daughter, actually in our language we are saying patthar ki lakeer. My husband normally says that कि जो भी मम्मा ने कहा है वो पत्थर की लकीर है. So she follow me as such. If my dream is that कि she usually last 2 3 years she are performing the Olympiad exams. So I say one day, बेटा at least कुछ medal तो ले आओ. You are only giving the exam. Then she write in one essay that my mother needs a gold medal, and in the same year she get that one gold medal in the science Olympiad, and subsequently in next year also, and she got the two gold medals successive years. And even his teachers call me and say, आपको पता है क्या लिखा था आपकी बच्ची ने ऐसे में कि मेरी मम्मा को गोल्ड मेडल चाहिए. उसे ड्रीम लिखने को बोला था, तो शी राइट द ममाज ड्रीम कि माय मम्मा नीड्स अ गोल्ड मेडल और मुझे मम्मा के लिए गोल्ड मेडल चाहिए. तो मैं शायद कहती कि थोड़ा सा कम सीरियस हो जाओ. लाइफ इज नॉट टू मच टू गो, कि लाइफ इज अ शॉर्ट, थोड़ा सा एंजॉय कर लो. बिकॉज आई एम वेरी सीरियस फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. After marriage, I slightly shifted. Actually, it's difficult to say कि I am living in a sustainable life, but definitely I am trying at my level. कि we are normally carrying the bags when we are going out. We are never use the plastic bags. This is one thing that everyone can do. Second thing, at home we are trying to put all our plastic wrappers in in, you can say, vacant bottles and just filled up. So we are collecting all the waste in the plastic bottles and then dumped. So that is the two things that everyone can do at their home, because we cannot depend on the society always ki they are doing something for us. This is one thing. Second thing, we are working with the kitchen waste and then it changes into the compost. So there are two, three small things, because I think that whenever every family can do this and there is no waste is generated from the home, then we can do the sustainable life. There is no need to waste generators, no need to waste management. We don't need anything else. If there is no waste is released from each home, and it can be easily done, definitely we have to do some efforts, because we have to take care ki where the waste is, how we can segregate it, which waste can be recycled, which waste can be dumped, and which waste can be composed. So we I'm doing these small steps only. No, I cannot face these type of challenge, definitely. But I can say, yeah, कि gender biasness is there everywhere. We are saying we are developing, our thoughts are developed now, but no, not correct. If we have to choose for any position, definitely we select the person which can devote 24/7. And in the case of girls, we are saying no, it is not. So definitely there is a gender biasness exist in the system till now. Slightly changes, but not too much. I think only the women education play a vital role in this shift. If women are literate, then definitely we can change. Independency, literacy are the two major factors where we can change this side. And we have to slightly fearless. If we are doing the marriage, we are constrained with the marriage. No, why we are constrained with the marriage? We have our independent existence. So definitely the thinking at the family level must be changed. We have to grow daughters not like son. We have to grow daughters like daughters. They have a different existence. Not like a son. Why son? Why we need a son instead of daughter? Daughters are the independent one. So I think education because education give the confidence to the girls to move on. And when we earn something, when we independent, we are free to move, we are traveling here and there, then we automatically get the more exposure to work. Actually, if you are thinking there is no success and no failure, success whatever you want to achieve, if you can achieve, then you get success. Does not reflect the position, power, and money. Your dream might be only to get particular position. If you achieve it, you get success. Your dream might be only your parents to become proud. If you get it, then you will success. And failure, definitely failure is that you cannot do that particular work, but failure can be turned into the success. That is the good thing. We can do the work, we can shift our way to work and change the failure to the success. So I think there is no failure. It's always the success. Might be we are at wrong position, we are aiming the wrong objects that are not our field. If I'm dreaming that I am a dancer, then how I can possible? I cannot even do a single step in a dance. That is not a success. So I always, when I wake up and when I am ended, I always think a day, ki, is it the day is fine or not for me? Is it I'm not doing anything that is not cultivated my father's initially? And is it that one key my daughter learns from me? Because she know she wants everything from, like, you can say she want duplicate. Uh, I'm not liking the dance. Even she is not liking the dance. Even I'm not saying that, but might be it's it she feel like that. Normally, I yeah I read the inspirational stories on YouTube also. I saw a video when I feel ki I'm not feel good from the workplace or any professional and personal level. Then I always see the videos of inspirational leaders, so that I can motivated by these videos. Otherwise, in morning I definitely walk. My morning schedule is that I am always give a walk of 20-25 minutes, and then slightly try 10 minutes yoga, not more. It's around 7 to 8 minutes, even you can say. But it's a, I want to build no, I want to build a house that is a completely sustainable. My dream house. That is the model for world. Everything, there is no dependency from the outer atmosphere. It's a self-sustained system. Okay, I just want there is a garden is there, there is solar panels, wastewater system is there. Even I learned somewhere that there is a humidity to convert into the water. Also humid environment can be convert the water. So basically I need a humidifier that is convert the water also. So I want a fresh water from the plants only. And house that is surrounded by the planting. I want everything from the house, because I know that food adulteration is the major issue these days, and we are eating lot of pesticides. Being a chemist, I know exactly if we are eating lot of pesticides.